Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Flip, and let me share with you how to reset the settings, the camera settings specifically on this device. So if you'd like to reset camera preferences, all you have to do is to first of all, of course, open the camera app, and here in this operation it does not really matter on which mode you will be. You could be on a photo, video, night, whatever. All you have to do is to tap on this arrow, so to open the more options, and then tap on more settings. As you can see at the bottom we've got the reset option, so let's tap, and basically this is it. You will not really see the specific changes. Probably if the options connected with the location were customized by you, you will have to either allow or deny the access to the location. But basically this is it. This is quite a quick operation. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.